In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom notification sounds for specific emails in Outlook. If you've ever missed an important message because it sounded like every other email, this walkthrough will help you assign a unique chime to the messages that matter most. We'll do this using Outlook's rules feature on the desktop app, which supports playing a custom sound when a message that meets your criteria arrives. Start by opening the Outlook app on your computer. Give it a moment to sync so you're working with the latest messages. Next, click to select an example email from the person or group you want to trigger a special sound. Picking a real message makes this easier because Outlook can automatically suggest the sender or subject line based on what you've selected. Now right-click that email and choose Rules from the menu that appears. In the panel or dialog that opens, click Create Rule and then select the option for more or advanced choices to open the full rules wizard. This view gives you all the conditions and actions you'll need for a precise setup. In the wizard, define your conditions. Choose the option to apply the rule on messages you receive. That tells Outlook we're targeting incoming mail, then select the condition that best matches your goal. A common choice is from people or public group, which lets you pick one or more specific senders. You can also refine by subject keywords, send only to me, or other criteria if you want to be more selective. Click any underlined text in the rule description to choose contacts, type addresses, or enter keywords and confirm your selections. Next, set the action that will play your custom sound. Check the box for Play a Sound, then click the link text to browse for your audio file. Outlook uses .wav files for custom alerts, so choose a .wav sound you like. For best results, pick a short, clear clip and store it in a permanent folder on your computer so the path doesn't change later. If your file isn't a .wav, convert it first, then return to select it. Remember, the alert volume follows your system sound settings, so make sure your device isn't muted. When everything looks right, click Finish to save the rule. From now on, whenever an incoming message matches your conditions, Outlook will play your chosen sound so you can identify it instantly without checking the screen. If you want to test, send yourself a message that meets the rules criteria. You can edit or disable the rule anytime from the rules settings if your needs change. That's all you need to give important emails their own unmistakable sound and stay on top of what matters.